I'm sitting out here on the couch. I'm waiting for that guy to come pick this up. And I'm listening to all the football people screaming. You got Bulldogs over there, and over there you got Gators. You got Bulldogs over there. It's funny. I'm just sitting out here on this couch outside. I love being outside. At least I'm cozy out here, right? Listen to them all. It's awesome. Okay guys, it's cold in here, and Mr. NOMADness wants to turn the heat on. And we haven't done it yet. Are you gonna attempt it?
Yeah, just turn it on.
Oh my gosh. After you have your coffee.
Honey.
I don't know if the furnace is gonna kick on. I mean, nothing can really go wrong. It's just the thermostat wiring.
Exactly.
We'll see.
What are you worried about?
I'm not.
What time is it?
It's 7:40. Oh, how's that percolated coffee? Is that not the best? I outdid myself today.
Why? What'd you do?
It's so good.
I know. What'd you do different?
I don't know, but it's so good.
I'm telling you, percolated coffee is the best coffee ever.
Ever.
Not that Keurig garbage.
Not even a bun. Not even a bun coffee maker compares.
Not even a bun, a Mr. Coffee Maker.
Nothing.
Now. Come on.
Put it on heat. What's the heat set at?
I don't know.
Six.
Oh, you know how to do it.
Push the center button, hold it. I said hold it. Now you can move up your degrees.
Oh.
Yeah, you gotta put it on heat. Hold.
Now I press that one, whatever that is.
Oh, jeez.
I can't see. It's a set. No.
There you go. Now hold this. Just hold this. There you go. Now press it up. It's blinking. Oh my god. Could train a monkey faster than you. Did you put it on heat? No. Jeez.
I don't know how to do it.
Here we go. Alright. I did. You hadn't even had it on heat.
I thought he did.
No.
Well, I don't hear it.
Alright, so up there came on,
No.
and down there.
No, just down here.
Really?
Yeah.
Alright, let's wait to see if it ignites it.
I hear it.
Did you hear it ignite the flame?
I think so.
That's what I thought too. You'll know in a sec. Keep your feet on the register and let me know.
It's got to purge.
What?
It's purging itself.
Oops. Coffee burp. Alright, feel.
No. Yep.
We got heat?
Yep.
We didn't change anything in the wiring. Good to know. So now that's set. So at night, it went down to 40 last night, but it was only 60 in here this
I don't
morning.
feel a thing.
Me either. I slept like a baby. Alright then. That's awesome.
Yeah, it's hot.
It's hot?
Feel it.
We did a good job. We've wired it the way that guy told us to. Oh yeah. I smell it. I feel it. We got heat up in here. Everything's just coming up roses since we moved here.
I know.
Dang. I see, somebody, you know, I was taking Tiggs for a walk. You know those yellow poles with that's cemented in the ground,
No. Yeah.
like the one I hit with my car. Somebody hit one, and then they threw it in a yard, right over here in the corner, by our place.
They threw it in a yard.
Yeah, like literally, they hit it somewhere else.
Oh.
And it came up out of the ground with the cement still attached to it
Okay.
because it's got a bend in it, and then they threw it in this yard over here.
Why would they do that?
Well, maybe because everybody was drunk last night. They hit it with a car, definitely, because it wouldn't have bent like that. It's not a cement pillar like I hit. It's more of a metal, painted yellow. But it's all crooked now. And then the cement's still attached to the bottom. And then they threw it in that yard over there. I'm sure they'll be talking about that this morning. Oh, God, I'm so glad to have 2 days off. I don't even know what to do with myself. You know what the greatest thing about working? Is looking forward to days off. I haven't been able to do that forever.
Why? You have every day off?
Yeah. So I had no life, and it sucked. I didn't want you to feel bad, but it sucked.
What?
It sucked having no life. Are you glad you're not traveling anymore?
Yeah.
Well, that wasn't convincing.
No, I am. Traveling's a pain in the ass.
I know. Every aspect of it, but
I'm just glad I have a home.
I'm glad too.
And this is a home
Yeah.
to me.
And it's like, it's a home inside of an awesome community.
It's a home where the buffalo roam.
Don't you think this is an awesome community? We sat outside last night on a picnic table listening to the band playing. Oh, jeez, I gotta watch this on the news.